Hi, sweet kids. This is Mrs. Roig. We are going to go ahead and do our literacy routine together. This is going to feel very similar to what we do in the classroom. We are going to go through the phonics dance, the hunks and chunks. We're going to do our word family slam, and we're going to practice sight words together. So before we get started, I want you to stand up. Make sure you can still see the screen and you have enough space around you to do the motions to our chants. Don't forget to show off your strong muscles when we come across vowels in the alphabet. So let's get started. Abby is sad. Is A. Wah. A says A. B is baby. B is B. C says k. C says k. C says k. Cat. Meow. D. I'm a digging dog. D. I'm a digging dog. D is D. Eddie loves his teddy and Eddie loves E. E says E. Froggy loves flies. Froggy loves flies. Is F. G is goat. G is G. Happy. I am happy. Is H. It. Iggy loves her wiggy and Iggy loves I. I says I. J is jumping. J is J. Kissing kangaroos. Kissing kangaroos. Is K. Is loud lion. Is L. Is mean monster. Is M. Is nice. Lucy is nice. Is N. Is opera. Is O. Opera. O says O. Popcorn, please. Is P. Qua is queen. Plop. Qua is Q. Your Highness. No rain at recess. Is R. I am smart at school. I am smart at school. Is S. Is teacher. Mrs. Rorig is my teacher. Is T. Fussy, funny, the turkey's underwear. Is U. U says U. V is violin. V is V. W is watermelon. W is W. X says X. The X-rays in the box. Y is yakking. Y is Y. I will not yak today. Hi-ho the dairy-o, I will not yak today. Z is zipper. Zip. Z is Z. All right, now, after our phonics dance, we always do hunks and chunks together. So Still stay standing. We're going to start with our hunks and chunks. When you see a double E, you say E, E, it's a bumblebee party. When you see a double E, you say E, E, it's a bumblebee party. Da 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 da, da 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 da. O-W, ow and O. O-W, let it snow. This is a thorn and that is a thistle. T-H, v-v-v, T-H, O-R, or, O-R, or, I want more fish. O-W, ow, there's a cow going down, D-O-W-N, that's the way to get down, oh yeah. Sheep love it quiet, S-H, sh, 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 S-H, sh, sh, sh. The king of ing loves to do a jumping dance, I-N-G, ing, 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 I-N-G, ing, ing, ing. O, ooh, ooh, I like school. When you see ed at the end of a word, you say ed, d, or t. But it's oy, oi, oy, oy, boy, at the end of a word. Boy. You take a scaredy cat E and a scaredy cat A, put them together, and what do they say? E. All right, now we're going to do our word family slam. Now, if you remember word family slam, we do each letter sound on each hand. So put out the first letter sound on one hand, put the second letter sound out on the other hand, and then slam them together. Here we go. At, it, et, ought, ut. Good job. All right, now we are going to do some sight words together. So as we do our sight words, I am going to flip to the next card and I am going to count to 3 in my head and give you some time to shout out the sight word. When you shout it out, then I will read the sight word in 3 seconds. After I get to 3 in my brain, then I will say the sight word. You try and say it before I do. This one you've already been able to look at. What is this sight word? I. All right, here we go. Red. A. Am. Blue. 2. He. Orange. B. Up. Yellow. In. My. Green. You. It. Purple. Can. We. Black. And. At. Me. Is. Me. Go. Like. Come. See. The. All right, that was it. Great job, sweet kids.